Yes, dear students, this is your fourth day spoken English class, and today in this class we will learn the use of has and have. Okay, the use of has and have. The words has and have means in Hindi के पास है, के पास है. Like I have means what? मेरे पास है. Okay, in this way. So first of all, you should know that have is used with many subjects like I, we, you, they, these, those means some plural subjects. Okay, plural subjects. All these are plural subjects except I, but have is used with I also. So whenever you get the subjects I, we, you, they, these, those, or any plural like dogs, cows, houses, in that case you add okay, and has is used with he, she, it, this, that, any name and any singular noun. Singular. Dog, cat, cow, goat. If you will get those things, those subjects, you will use has. Clear? So now I think you all understood where you have to use have and where you have to use has. कहाँ have लगाना पता चल गया, कहाँ has लगाना भी पता चल गया. Yes. So now we will add have with the subjects and write their meanings. Like I have means what? मेरे पास है. We have हम लोगों के पास है. You have तुम्हारे पास है या फिर आपके पास है. They have उन लोगों के पास है. These are the uses of have. These are the uses and their meanings of have. Now come to this type. This type has. He has. It is used for masculine gender. He is used for boy, man, like this. She has. उसके पास. In case of any girl or in case of any woman, we use she. She has means what? उसके पास है. It has. इसके पास है. In this way, suppose any name is there. Raju has means what? Raju के पास है. Raju के पास है. Clear? So these are the uses of have and has. And now, if we add any object here, you can add any object here and make a complete sentence. Like, I have a ball. I have a ball. मेरे पास एक बॉल है, गेंद है. I have a pen. मेरे पास एक कलम है. Clear? We have a house. हम लोगों के पास एक घर है. In this way, just you have to add one subject and you have to add one object and you can make a complete sentence. Okay. So now we will see one by one. Like first I have. I will give you 5 examples with I have. Okay. First we will see I have means मेरे पास है. So I have a pen. What will be its Hindi meaning? मेरे पास एक कलम है. Okay. मेरे पास एक कलम है. मेरे पास एक कलम है. I have a bicycle. मेरे पास एक साइकिल है. Hey, don't write. No need to write. Keep these things in your mind, okay? Don't write all the things in the copy. मेरे पास एक कलम है. I have a pen. I have a bicycle. मेरे पास एक साइकिल है. I have a water bottle. अच्छा, मेरे पास एक घड़ी है. वेरी गुड. I have a watch. मेरे पास एक मोबाइल फोन है. I have a मोबाइल फोन. मेरे पास एक व्हाइट शर्ट है. I have a white shirt. So in this way you can make many sentences with I have, whatever I have. I have money, मेरे पास पैसे हैं. I have a pencil, मेरे पास एक पेंसिल है. In this way you can use I have in many sentences. Now we will see another sentence, that is we have means what? हम लोगों के पास है. हम लोगों के पास है. हम लोगों के पास एक गाड़ी है. We have a car, you can say, okay. हम लोगों के पास, कभी कभी हम लोग ऐसा बोल सकते हैं, हम लोगों का है. हम लोगों का है. Okay, that also you can use. Okay. हम लोगों के पास एक मोटरसाइकिल है. We have a मोटरसाइकिल. हम लोगों के पास एक कुत्ता है. We have a dog. Okay. हम लोगों के पास एक बैलगाड़ी है. We have a bullock cart. Bullock cart. Okay. In this way we can use we have also in many sentences. Next is you have. You have. तुम्हारे पास है, तुम लोगों के पास है, आपके पास है और आप लोगों के पास है. Because you as single subject is used with many sentences. Okay, like तुम्हारे पास, तुम लोगों के पास, आपके पास, आप लोगों के पास. Okay. तुम्हारे पास एक पेंसिल बॉक्स है. You have a. तुम्हारे पास एक स्कूल बैग है. You have a स्कूल बैग. तुम्हारे पास एक सुंदर ड्रेस है. You have a beautiful dress. Okay. तुम्हारे पास एक साइकिल है. You have a बाईसाइकिल. तुम्हारे पास एक चांदी की चेन है. You have a सिल्वर चेन. सिल्वर चेन. आपके पास एक सोने की चेन है. Yes. You have a gold chain or golden chain. Okay. Now they have. They have means they have. उन लोगों के पास. उन लोगों के पास. They have a big house. उन लोगों के पास एक बड़ा घर है. उन लोगों के पास 4 गायें हैं. They have 4 cows. 4 cows. Okay. उन लोगों के पास एक बगीचा है. They have a garden. Okay. उन लोगों के पास एक ट्रक है. They have a truck. In this way, we have seen here many sentences with different subjects like I, we, you and they. Many sentences with have. Okay. So just you have to remember that whenever we will get subjects like I, we, you and they or any plural, In these cases, we have to use have. Okay, have. Now, has. The first we will see he has. उसके पास है. उसके पास है. उसके पास 100 रुपए हैं. He has 100 rupees. He has 100 rupees. उसके पास एक टिफिन बॉक्स है. Yes, lunch box, tiffin box, whatever you can say. उसके पास एक गुलाबी शर्ट है. He has a pink shirt. उसके पास एक बहुत सुंदर स्कूल बैग है. He has a बहुत सुंदर, very beautiful. He has a very beautiful school bag. Okay. उसके पास एक पाउच है. उसके पास एक बिल्ली है. उसके पास एक रंगीन छतरी है. कलरफुल अम्ब्रेला. यस, कलरफुल अम्ब्रेला. उसके पास 2 कलमें हैं. He has 2 pens. Now, in the same way, we will see she has. Okay, she has. उसके पास, in case of any girl, okay, उसके पास एक गुड़िया है. She has a doll. उसके पास एक कीमती साड़ी है. कॉस्टली साड़ी. यस. उसके पास एक कहानी किताब है. She has a story book. उसके पास एक रिमोट कार है. She has a remote car. So in this way you can make many sentences. He, she. Now, if we use it, this, okay. इस मार्कर का एक कैप है. नहीं, इस मार्कर जब बोला जाएगा ना, इस मार्कर, दिस मार्कर हैज ए कैप. दिस मार्कर हैज ए कैप. इस रजिस्टर के 40 पन्ने हैं. This register has 40 pages. Okay. इस पाउच के 1 2 3 3 चेन्स हैं. This pouch has 3 chains. Okay. In this way, राजू के पास एक पुरानी साइकिल है. राजू हैज not a old, an old bicycle. Raju has an old bicycle. Okay. महेश के पास एक मोटरसाइकिल है. महेश हैज ए मोटरसाइकिल. नितिन के पास एक जोड़ी सुंदर जूते हैं. Nitin has a pair of beautiful shoes. Nitin has a pair of beautiful shoes. Okay. In this you can give many examples. He has, she has, it has, these has. Okay. Any name has. So these are the uses of has and have.